this has been a super pain, replacing the parking brakes. It seems like they were seized in the on position, hence there was no resistance in the handle when I would be pulling it up, because there is this lever assembly which was seized beyond belief. Over here, the Germans, I guess when they engineered this, didn't feel that they needed to shield this from Chicago elements such as salt, and I'm not even going to go into it, but long story short, removing this, I don't know if it's even worth it. This whole assembly basically is like got two giant rivets that hold it together, and you can't take this apart. So cleaning this is pretty much well, it's a pain. Long story short, this slides forward and back. You set the, I guess, initial tension on the parking brake here. The spring kind of holds it in with this quarter turn nut. Long story short, this thing wasn't even moving on me before, so I'm going to grease it up before I put it back together. But I figured I would record a little video for all you curious people that want to, I guess, do a good job on your Sprinter. I think it would have been more intelligent to have just freezed this stuff off. And this stuff is pretty good. It gets all the rust to loosen off, freeze off. And I probably wouldn't have removed this whole assembly. I would have just got it to work free and inside of there. But long story short, if you're having a hard time getting springs on, if your brand new brakes aren't seated, pretty much at this point, getting off or on is going to be difficult, because this assembly is probably seized with the parking brake on.